Hello. Good afternoon to all guys. Welcome to Davao Coastal Road. This is the what they call the third segment of Davao Coastal Road here at Alvarado location. So today is no water. So, of course, low tide to ngayon. Yan o, ang tubig. Yan na po ang update for today, July 3. So, sa unahan at forward section na po tinatawag na Santa Ana Walk o Santa Ana Bridge po. Tapos na po dyan. May mga tambay dyan, mga passenger small boat going to Isla Samal. So again, thank you sa lahat. Again, salamat at take care everyone. That is what we call update for today here at third segment Costa Road. Bye bye everyone.